Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome back to Cat's Eye and welcome to Skincare Saturday. I am super excited today because we are going to be making a homemade facial mask. Oh yes, but before we jump into it, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and remember I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. So this video was actually inspired by Michelle Phan, one of my all-time favorite beauty gurus here on YouTube. And the two ingredients I know you probably have in your kitchen right now. Are you excited? It is simply red wine and plain yogurt. I always knew red wine was good for the heart, and I never knew it was good for your skin because it does contain tannins, flavonoids, and resveratrol that's actually good for your skin. When you apply it topically, it can actually help reduce fine lines, hyperskin pigmentation, lighten your skin, and improve the elasticity of the fibers in your face and collagen. So ladies, salud, drink up. So let's just dive right into it and get to making our facial, okay? Okay, I'm ready to apply my red wine yogurt facial mask. Now I actually chilled it in the fridge for about an hour, and I figured on a hot summer day like this, it would be the perfect refreshing facial mask. So let's just dive right in. I got a foundation brush. I know you're probably going, oh no, Catherine, you're gonna ruin your brush. Nah, it's just yogurt and red wine. But yes, you wanna go ahead and apply the mixture. It's actually 2 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. I used Greek yogurt, but you can use any type of plain yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of red wine. And I'm just gonna apply it. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. So cooling and soothing. This feels fantastic, and it smells good too. Who knew? So let's just wind down with our red wine facial. And did you know red wine is said to improve the skin texture and even help with the aging process? I'm all for that. So we're just going to spread it on all over and just leave it on for 10 minutes and you're done. And then you just rinse it off and then just apply your moisturizer afterwards. This feels so good. Oh my goodness. Should I taste it? I don't think I will. So I hope you had fun with me making facials today. I thought it was super fun, and remember, these ingredients are practically in your house all the time. Well, at least for me. Whoopsie. But yeah, don't forget to click like and subscribe. See, I've been drinking too much already. I've only had like 2 sips. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Tomorrow, I'm super excited because we are going to be reviewing a brand new drugstore foundation. Don't forget to tune in. I will see you then. Mahal kita. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.